Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a really special car that I'm very excited to tell you about. It's a 1963 Thunderbird Landau. It's one of 2000 made. It's called the Principality of Monaco. It's a really high-end, the best Thunderbird that they had to offer. Genuine leather upholstery, a dark rose-colored Landau roof, and this car, I call it automotive jewelry. It is restored like you wouldn't believe. Look at our undercarriage pictures, right down to every last nut and bolt. It is amazing. I'm going to walk you through this car. I think very highly of it. It's got to be the best one in the country. Visit volocars.com to read all the specs, study all the pictures, and find out the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in this 63 Thunderbird. Yeah, the car number one was presented to Prince Ranier of Monaco. Again, it's just a classy car, wood grain trim, genuine leather upholstery, wire wheels. The thing's amazing. What really drew me to it, I'm familiar with these cars. We've sold a couple of them, but the restoration. There's a professional shop next door, and this is going back 5, 6, 7 years ago. They restored a 62 Impala for a guy to perfection. They spent $100,000 restoring that car. And that's an Impala. It had vinyl seats, didn't have air conditioning. This car would cost more to restore than a Chevy. This is at that level. This has got to be $100,000 plus restoration. And I found the logbook in the trunk with all the itemized restoration notes, which we'll get to in a second also. But when you go to our website, look underneath the car. It's amazing. Every nut and bolt, literally, the whole suspension, the oil pan, every component, every bolt is new. All the finishes are new. It's all rebuilt. All the brake lines, fuel lines, the brake system's rebuilt. Again, the front end's all new. Every bushing, shock, tie rod end, starter, all of it. It's got the Cruise-O-Matic transmission. It's all rebuilt. The rear end is all rebuilt, detailed properly. Stainless steel exhaust from tip to tip, done really nicely. Underneath this car is amazing. The floors are all rust-free. They were all cleaned, prepped, and sealed. So again, underneath this car, all done. The body's amazing. All the gaps are precisely fit. I mean, look at the lines here. It's smooth. I didn't see any body damage. There are some chips. I don't know, in someone's garage, something fell on it, but there's a few chips there that are touched up in the paint. The body itself, though, is amazing. No rust, no damage. Everything fits really, really well. The paint job has like a factory type finish, has a little bit of orange peel in it, just like the new car would have when it came out of the assembly line. This is a rose-colored top. In our pictures, it looks black. I don't know how it looks in the video, but it's a really dark, almost like a plum-colored top. It's part of this package. The chrome is amazing. Every piece of chrome, every molding, everything is either new or restored like new. I mean, this is polished out. This rear window, I think, is new. It's crystal clear. The gasket's soft. All of this trim, all of this. The chrome on the vent window pillar, the mirrors, amazing chrome trim. Really cool door handle. It's built into the trim. You push the button. That's nice. Kelsey Hayes wire wheels with Goodyear tires. The windshield, actually, they reused the original. And you'd have to look really close to even know there's anything wrong with it. I'd say it's a 9.5 out of a 10, so it's that good, but it's not new. The gasket's new, wipers are polished. Of course, all the chrome up here, the headlight bezels that are always pitted, it's all new or restored. Everything is rebuilt, anodized hinges. The whole wiring loom is new. Again, nut and bolt, the relay, the alternator. And it's a factory air conditioned, power steering, power brakes. It's a 390, 300 horsepower motor. And the interior, again, glove soft leather. You get leather in a new car today, there's some tough leather and it's just on the fronts of the seats. These are completely wrapped in leather, all new cushions, so they're nice and plump. Has the chrome piping, the rose color carpet with matching Thunderbird mats, and it also has the rose color upholstered dash that's been restored. Painted beautifully, the light works, the complete liner kit. There's a flap you open up here, and behind it's the sticker for the jack. The jack is all restored, mounted properly. The tire underneath there is a matching tire on a steel rim. I think it's on a steel rim. I don't think it's a wire wheel. The original hubcaps are here, and a really soft, my sheets are not this soft, car cover that goes with it. And there's a bag there filled with books and manuals. We'll get back to that. You sit in the car. After I bought it, I went back and sat in it, and I'm just like, oh my God, I'm just glad I bought it. The chrome, the bezels, the knobs, the wood grain trim everywhere. It has the swing-away steering wheel. It's pristine. The chrome horn ring, all of that just sparkles inside the car. It's loaded. It's got power windows, power seat, power door locks. It has an original style radio, but it has modern guts. When you actually turn it on, it lights up digital behind the original plate there. There's a plaque on the console. It's number 1051, I think, out of 2000 Principality of Monaco editions built. The center console, the little knobs, amazing. Look at the door jambs, beautiful. Every nut and bolt and the hinges, the sill plates are polished. The headliner, visors, all of that is done, but the interior is gorgeous in this car. Even the latches back here. So let me fire it up for you. I wanted to show you the books real quick, and I just hit the jackpot. I love paperwork. There's a whole bag of shop manuals and books. I didn't know this was in here. Here's a complete engine rebuild and specs. But look at this log book. I haven't had a chance to read it yet, but I will. Oops, and I'll add it to our description. But this is all the itemized front and back, every page of the restoration on the dates, what they did. This is going over 5 years to restore this car. I can't wait to get in my office and read that. This is an obvious, no expense spared restoration. I'm looking at the dimmer switch on the floor. It's shiny. I just tried. I didn't know I had power door locks. There's a switch on the dash. I just tried it and it works. Obviously, you got the swing away wheel, which is real cool. You get the right key in the ignition. We'll start it up. It's only about 1,500 miles since the car's been done. There's the wipers. There's the lights. The mirror. It's just so nice. And the leather is amazing. It has owner's manuals. So there you have it. If you just appreciate detail, high quality, that's this car here. Doors shut beautifully. Everything just fits precisely. The pedals are shiny. Every last nut and bolt. First class car. I'm around cars all the time. After I bought it, I went back and sat in it. My pulse went up. It really, this car impresses me. Beautiful car, rare car, restored beautifully. That's my honest impression of this car. If you have specific questions or concerns, feel free to go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. They will help tell you about the car. They'll help with the paperwork, delivery, financing. They'll make it easy for you. So visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel and you'll be the first to see the next one that's posted. Thanks for watching.